Welcome back, everyone. Look what I got. Little carburetor. So, nothing major today. Working on a little Honda HRM215. And we have the old carb here, okay? This is new carb, old carb. New carb had a different style choke on it, okay? These carbs are held in by 3 10 millimeters, okay? So it goes like, sits like that on there. You have your throttle, and that just pops off, and there's a little spring that you got to pull off too. Little spring goes there, little spring goes there, actual arm goes there, okay? And then right here is where your choke is. Pulled that out, I'll show you how. Like I said, this is the new carburetor. This is the old carburetor. So in order to get this little setup off, you literally just pull this butterfly valve. It just slides right out of that little plastic thing. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this guy off, and then this whole plastic shaft will come on out, okay? But keep an eye on that spring, because you need to put it back on the new one. Okay, there she is. So this bent test rod, I bent it to get it out of there. It just goes right back in that little hole. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this back on, and I'll kind of show it to you as I go. So I kind of got it on there, and I'm going to bring this over to this little rod. Yeah, I bent it. It just makes my life easier, and since this is my lawnmower, I really didn't care. But it goes right back on there like that, and then I'll just straighten that out. But here's your other two, okay? So that guy goes up there. Hang on, I need 2 hands. Okay, so I got that little guy on there. Hang on. And then that guy goes right there. Slide that all the way back on. I'm going to straighten that rod out now. Okay, so up on my controls is the choke, and she works. Alright, okay, next we got this little guy. Goes on there like that. We'll go ahead and grab our pliers and put our fuel line back on. And this is the butterfly. So you see how it has those little indents? That's what holds it on in the little shaft. Next thing, we have our air cleaner assembly. So we have that little hose. Then we have 1 10 mil that goes there. And these two that go right there. Little ugga-duggas, and we're good to go. Turn our fuel back on and fire it up. Super simple job today. Just getting this little guy going. I got it for free, so I figured I'd put a $9 carburetor on it and use it. What the hell, why not? But super simple, like I said. Like, subscribe, share us, comment. Deuces.